The journey begins with premium wheat flour. It is carefully poured into a giant industrial mixer, creating the base for every delicious glucose biscuit. Next comes finely powdered sugar, evenly added to provide the perfect sweetness and smooth texture. Milk powder is added to enhance the biscuit's rich flavor and create a light, crisp bite. A small amount of salt is added to balance the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor. Baking powder helps the biscuits rise slightly during baking, giving them a light. Pure vegetable oil is added to improve the biscuit's texture, tenderness, and crisp finish. Rich glucose syrup is slowly added, giving the biscuits their characteristic sweetness and helping bind the ingredients together. Clean, filtered water brings all the ingredients together, preparing them for the mixing process. The industrial mixer blends every ingredient evenly, transforming the separate materials into a uniform biscuit dough. After thorough mixing, a smooth and consistent dough is ready for the next stage, forming perfectly shaped biscuits.
The finished dough is gently discharged from the mixer and transferred to the forming line.
The dough moves into the sheeting machine, where it begins forming a continuous biscuit sheet. Precision rollers compress the dough into a smooth, even sheet with a consistent texture. The dough thickness is carefully calibrated to ensure every biscuit bakes evenly. The rotary cutter stamps each biscuit with a precise shape, creating hundreds of perfectly formed biscuits every minute.
Each biscuit is gently embossed with a decorative pattern and tiny steam release holes before baking, helping create a consistent appearance and texture.
Any unused dough is automatically collected and returned to the production line, helping reduce waste while maintaining efficient manufacturing. Now the shaped biscuits begin baking as they enter a long industrial tunnel oven, where carefully controlled heat transforms the soft dough.
In the first baking zone, gentle heat removes excess moisture, allowing the biscuits to begin setting without losing their shape.
As the baking continues, the biscuits develop their signature golden color, crisp texture, and delicious aroma. Fresh from the tunnel oven, the biscuits are perfectly baked with a crisp texture and an even golden finish.
The freshly baked biscuits move onto a long cooling conveyor, allowing heat to escape gradually while preserving their crisp texture. Controlled cooling ensures every biscuit reaches the ideal temperature before packaging, helping maintain its crispness and quality. After cooling, the biscuits are automatically aligned and stacked with precision, preparing them for fast and efficient packaging.
Neatly stacked biscuits enter the automatic flow wrap machine, where food-grade packaging film is wrapped securely around each pack to keep the biscuits fresh and protected. High-speed sealing technology creates airtight packets, locking in freshness and protecting the biscuits during storage and transport. Individual biscuit packets are automatically grouped and placed into cartons, preparing them for safe handling and large-scale distribution.